Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 4, Lesson 28. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about adding a pair of two-digit numbers with varied sums in the ones place. So looking at this, we have 17 plus 18. Now we have talked about in the previous few lessons about being able to either add the ones first or add the tens first. So it doesn't really matter which one you do. So looking at this, I'm going to decide to add my tens first. So I know that 17 is 10, 7. So I'm going to put my 10 on this side so I'm adding my tens first. So it'll be easy for me to add it to 18. So 18 plus 10 equals 28. Because we just added one more 10 to that 18. Or 1 to that 10's place. So we know that 18 plus 10 equals 28. Now we're going to add the leftovers. 7 plus 28, or 28 plus 7. Now, we're going to count on for this, because this one looks a little tricky. So, we're going to put 28 in our brains, and let's count on 7 times. So, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Now, this way made it a little bit tricky for us to do at the very end. So it could have been a good idea to maybe have done your ones first. That could have been also an option to do. So we know that 17 plus 18 equals 35. So if you realize that it's starting to get kind of hard, you may want to decide to change it to add your tens first or your ones first, whichever opposite one you were doing at first. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.